Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of SD Biosensor Standard F CRP test kit. This is a 20 test kit box. You can see the reference part number here. It's the reference part number. You can see this is Standard F CRP. Basically this is a IVD certified product, and you can see it's a 20 test kit box, and it can be stored in a room temperature. In this box you contain 25 individually foil packed 20 packs, extraction buffer 20, and one IFE brochure. This is how the box looks like. I'll just show you around the box. You can see here it says Standard F CRP is an in vitro diagnostic test for quantitative measurement of C-reactive protein CRP in human specimen, serum, plasma and whole blood. You can see it's a 20 test kit pack. Okay, let's go around the other side. You can see this. On a standard you can see the lot number and manufacturing expiry date is given. On a standard you can see it is close to 18 months. I'll get this open for you. Very quality sealed. Let's get this open. Okay, inside the box you can see there is one IFE brochure. You can see this here. See the IFE brochure. It says Standard F CRP. Please read instructions. Okay. Okay, let me open this for you. Okay, this is a detailed IFE brochure which can give you the complete instructions to complete the test. You can see this here. You can go through. You can see the specimen collection procedure and preparation of test procedures, and you can see interpretation of how to conduct your test. How to collect your test is there, and you have the interpretation of test results and explanation and warning, quick storage. So you have the complete details to conduct this test. I'll put this back here. Keeping this here, and further if you go inside you can see there are 20 test cartridges. I will be pulled two for you. You can see, just keep this here. You can see Standard F test device, Standard F CRP, one test kit pack. Other side you can see the lot number and the manufacturing and expiry date. This manufactured from SD Biosensor from India. You can see these are extraction buffers. You can see 20 individually packed buffers. So let me show this for you. This is how there are actually, this is a 10 pack and there is one more 10 inside. You can see this. This is 10 and there's another 10 inside. This is how it looks like. You can see individual buffers inside each of this tube. Okay. You can see around. This is how it looks like. So that's it. So just quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of SD Biosensor Standard F C-reactive Protein test kit. It's a FIA test kit which is used primarily in the fluorescence immunoassay analyzer machine, for example F200 and F2400 machine from SD Biosensor. This is basically used the fluorescence immunoassay principle. So in this box is a 20 test kit box. In a 20 test kit box you get one IFE brochure and 20 test cartridges and 20 individually packed buffer liquid. This is how the total test kits looks like. Okay, thank you.